Parlez avec action. Have you ever heard of the saying, actions speak louder than words? Well, let me tell you a story. Hi, my name is Jessica Senatus, and 8 years ago, my teacher told me I would never get far in life. I ran home crying to my parents, expecting them to do something about it, but they looked me in the eyes and they said, Parlez avec action. Speak with your actions. I was shocked and confused, but I decided that from that day on, I'd change my community one action at a time. I represented over 30 teenagers in the Collier County T court system with charges like petty theft and marijuana. I sit on the Relations Committee as a senator for the College of Business, writing memorials for students who've passed away and writing resolutions commanding people to take action. You see, my whole life has been this growing system of actions that's paved the way for my future. Now, I'd love to share more, but as my parents would say, chaque machine na route gagne un côté au palais. Every car on the road has a place that they are going, and the next stop is my career. Thank you so much. I'd love to share my business cards with you.